county unit all over 27 years. One of her duties is collecting the Medicaid overpayments or the payments for folks who are Medicaid eligible. And, she's done that, so unbelievably. The detail that she goes into is incredible. And Teresa, she started in the accounting unit, and she was the most popular person, at least every 14 days. Because back then we did paper paychecks, and Teresa's, one of her responsibilities was to take the paychecks around. And so everyone loved to see Teresa. So, and she's been in the Medicaid unit for the last, 15 years. And so, doing a variety of tasks, no matter where we put her, she excelled. And so we're definitely going to miss these two ladies. And, I can't believe that, they're leaving before I am, but, it's again, bittersweet. Wish them well. I know they both have a lot of activities they're going to be doing after retirements. And so wish them well in their retirement. And thank you so much.
Thank you.
Congratulations, ladies. Yes, thank you. Next, we have Renee Smith in the Sheriff's Department with 25 years. Sure. Congratulations, Renee.
Yes. So Renee obviously started with the district attorney's office as a chief for Judge Serio. He came up and wanted to say a few words also. And then she came over for the next 16 years it's been, right?
Come on over.
15.
Your Honor, come on right over here. Come on.
19 years? Okay. So she's been here a while. And what I will say is Renee came in with the MDT team and the Children's Advocacy Center and brought it up from the ground. So she ran the pilot program to get this instituted in the county. And I can't even tell you the amount of children who were saved because of this, emotionally, physically, with child abuse is such a thing and such a terrible thing. And to have this program, we're extremely valuable in the county. And for you to have developed it, you should be extremely proud of yourself and all of your team members also. And I will say Renee is one of the most passionate people I've ever met in my life. And this, the Children's Advocacy Center, was the central focal point of her life for a while, I know, because you can just tell when somebody's that passionate about what they do. So thank you for your many years of service. I'll give you the chance to talk in a minute. Judge, did you want to come up and say a few things also? Here you go.
Thank you, Sheriff.
Yes, sir.
Literally, I was advised about this about 30 minutes ago, and I wanted to take the opportunity, and I greatly appreciate you extending that to me. Renee and I met in 1989, shortly after I was elected, and came on board as one of my assistants and then became the chief assistant, the first female chief assistant in Madison County's history. She was and is to this day a remarkable individual. She brought to the office a tenacity and a compassion and an empathy that, from my standpoint, was unmatched across the board from all the folks that I knew. A remarkable addition to the office, and more so, a remarkable advocate for the children that she defended. She was there for them day in and day out, made me proud, and more importantly, made the county of Madison proud. It's kind of a sad day for me to see that she's leaving because she's been such a huge component of the criminal justice system here in Madison County. The CAC is a remarkable place. So many things go on behind the scenes that most people don't even know happens. And to a great extent, she was doing the yeoman's task. She was carrying the ball. She was directing a lot of the activity. It is Madison County's loss, to be frank, but I am very thankful to have had the opportunity to work with her. She didn't work for me. She worked for Madison County and all of the victims that she defended and represented. And I want to thank you for your efforts. You know, she goes from here back to the town of Pompey as supervisor, and she'll continue her public service. But I just want to wish you a very long, healthy, and happy retirement, resting well with the knowledge that you did an extraordinary job here in Madison County. And I couldn't have done my job without you. So thank you.
No touching. Todd, you would think he's the one that's running for elected office, wouldn't you? It's fitting that I'm retiring this month. I didn't plan it, but it's Child Abuse Prevention Month. So thus the blue. I've actually, the reason why it's complicated when we start talking about years is because I've actually been in this business for 35 years, 4 in Onondaga County to start, and then the rest of it here, 5 of it, which was contractual, so it doesn't really count with the county's counting. So I've been 31 years with the county, and it has been my privilege to hold these positions. It's all about the children. It's all about the children, and we all, I hope you carry on this group in supporting this program after when my replacement comes, because it's necessary. My greatest joy is seeing some of the children that we've helped heal and go on to have adult productive lives. Some of whom I'm still in touch with and who I care about deeply. And we need people to care, which is why I made my staff come. My family advocate, Val Smith-Cornish, and Pam Mosier, who's our office assistant. They hold down the fort. They do the hard work. I oversee the program, but they're the ones in the trenches along with Child Protective, Mike Fitzgerald. Your staff is amazing. They don't get enough credit, but they are amazing people, dedicated to what they do. And so are the law enforcement officers that we work with. They go above and beyond. They make sure that there isn't a stone left unturned, because what we want to do is hand, when we can, make an arrest. We want to hand the district attorney's office a really rock solid case, because we want to get justice for the kids that we serve. So that said, I just thank you all. Chairman Becker, thank you for this invitation here today. Mark, appreciate your assistance and your support over the years. And Cindy, everybody here in this room had a part of this program, and that's how it needs to continue as a team effort. So with that said, I'm probably talking longer than I should, but thank you very much.
Thank you.
Next, John Marshall with the Sheriff's Office. Sheriff.
Thank you. John never got back to me if he was coming in today, so I'll accept this on behalf. A lot of you are familiar with Sergeant Marshall, and I'll make sure he gets the gift from you. Thank you very much.
Okay, next is John Otts Jr., Solid Waste. Amy.
Sure. John joined our department about 2 years ago from the highway department, where he spent the rest of his county career. And he's just been, over the past 2 years for us, a tremendous asset in our department. We are going to really, truly miss him. He's been a role model and a leader within our department over those 2 years. And we are just really fortunate that he joined our department for even just for the short period of time. So with that, I don't know if Joe wants to jump in with anything else, but we wish Joe the very best in his retirement.
I would just add, I wasn't really planning on saying anything, but I wish John the best. You know, he worked in my department for several years before going to solid waste. And I remember when Amy called and asked me what kind of employee, He was. I told her, there's no better tree guy around than John Ott. So, I'm glad he worked out at the landfill, and I wish him nothing but the best.
Hey, thank you very much. Okay, next we have Ruth Boyd from Public Health, 16 years of service to the county.
Thank you for not putting me right after Renee's. That would have been a hard one to follow. Yeah, Ruth unfortunately cannot be here today, but Ruth has been with the Public Health Department since 2004. She started as a public health tech and then moved up as a sanitarian, then a sanitarian too. Ruth worked in our environmental division, predominantly in our public water supply, our vector surveillance, our algal blooms, harmful algal blooms, our nuisance and rabies programs, and bathing beaches. Ruth had a really strong background in chemistry, which helped us understand the science of contaminants and testing and water methods. She also was, because of that experience, was able to help us translate federal and state regulations, not only for our understanding, but for the general public and for the regulated community. So obviously with her leaving, along goes a tremendous amount of wealth and knowledge and experience that'll be hard to replace. So I do wish her very well. I asked her what she was going to do in retirement to keep busy, and she said they just got a new house, so it looks like she's going to be busy with that. So I wish her the best.
Okay, thank you. And congratulations to all of our retirees. You will truly be missed. So thank you very much. Now we start and then we'll do public. Okay, is that okay? Okay.
We'll start with resolutions on our preferred agenda for government operations, and then probably go into a public hearing. Resolution number 1, authorize the chairman to extend an agreement with Upstate Communications Security. Number 2, authorize the chairman to enter an agreement with Day Automation. Number 3, authorize the chairman to enter an agreement with various Madison County municipalities for IT services. Number 4, authorizing distributions for the Madison County Workers' Compensation Municipal Pool. Number 5 and number 6 are both modifying the 2021 adopted budget for hospital and medical insurance and legislative board. Number 7, authorizing a stipend for the function of data officer. Number 8, increasing the hours of the office assistant 2 position for the county administrator's office. Number 9, declaring the week of May 2 through 7, 2021 as Public Service Recognition Week. And number 10, creating 2 full-time permanent positions in the Office of County Clerk. Mary Kavanaugh, Chairwoman, Government Operations Committee.
Mr. Chairman, I move these resolutions for adoption.
Resolution's been made. Do I have a second? Second by Mr. Walrod. Is there any discussion? Okay, roll call, please.
Jones,
Aye.
Walrod, Schwartz,
Yes.
DeVeronica, Norelli,
Aye.
Bono,
Yes.
Cunningham,
Aye.
Stefanski, Becker,
Aye.
Kavanaugh, Roberts,
Aye.
Maglioka,
Aye.
Ostrander,
Aye.
Corbin,
Yes.
Zupan,
Yes.
Walters,
Aye.
Moses. 1,445 ayes.
Carried. Okay, we do a public hearing now. Yeah, we have it. I have it. You want me to, okay, I'll read it. It's the public hearing to provide information to the public and to consider citizen comments regarding the county's housing and community development needs, the micro enterprise program, and any other potential housing, public infrastructure, public facilities, economic development, or community planning applications for the county. Okay, I need a motion to open that public hearing, please. Motion by Mr. Moses, second by Mrs. Norelli. Is there any discussion? All in favor signify by voting aye.
Aye.
Anybody opposed? Carried. Okay, the public hearing is now open. Is there anybody here to make a comment about that?
Scott's on.
Scott, go ahead.
Thank you, John and Mark. Just very quickly, this is a requirement for a grant application that we're submitting on behalf and working with Casanova Area Community Development Association. This is something we've applied for a couple different times in the past with different entities, and provides the program provides grants or loans for small businesses within Madison County. So it's been very successful, and we're hopeful that some tweaks to our application this time will allow us to get funded.
Any questions? Any comments?
How much money?
It'll probably be $200,000. That's the maximum we can apply for.
Okay, any other questions? Okay, motion to close the public hearing. Motion by Mr. Moses. Is there a second? Second by Mr. Stepanski. Is there any discussion? All in favor signify by voting aye. Aye.
Aye.
Anybody opposed? Public hearing is closed. Okay.
Okay, we will continue with resolutions. Finance, Ways and Means Committee. Resolution number 11, authorize the chairman to execute an agreement with Heritage Abstract and Title Agency. Number 12, approval of consent order and judgment for refund real property taxes. Number 13 through 24, the remainder under finance, are all modifying the 2020 county budget, and it is for sales tax, Social Security and Medicare, Veterans Memorial, Sheriff's Traffic Safety Coordinator Grant, Personal Services, Road Machinery, Sheriff's Correctional, COVID-19, Sheriff PTS Grant, County Road Fund, Central Printing and Supply, and Employee Health Insurance. Yvonne Norelli, Chairwoman, Finance, Ways and Means.
Mr. Chairman, I move these resolutions for adoption, please.
Resolution's been made. Do I have a second? Second. Second by Ms. Kavanaugh. Is there any discussion? Roll call, please.
Walrod? Schwartz?
Yes.
DeVeronica? Norelli?
Aye.
Bono?
Yes.
Cunningham?
Aye.
Stepanski? Becker?
Aye.
Kavanaugh? Roberts?
Aye.
Maglioka?
Aye.
Ostrander?
Aye.
Corbin?
Yes.
Zupan?
Yes.
Walters?
Aye.
Moses?
Yes.
Jones?
Aye.
1,445 ayes.
Carried.
John, it looks like we've got TJ on now.
Is that-
I'm on.
There he is.
how long?
There he is.
Oh, he looks like the mountain man.
Yeah.
Aye.
Okay, TJ is on. Changes my votes. Okay, next we have Administration Oversight Committee. Resolution 25 and 26 are both designating disposal of obsolete and/or surplus county personal property for a Tamper and a Dodge Ram 2500. Number 27, authorize the chairman to enter an agreement with Phoenix Graphics for purchase of optical scan ballots. 28, authorize the Board of Elections to enter into a voting equipment uses agreement. And 29, authorizing an intermunicipal agreement with Madison Oneida Boces for business card printing and other printing services not provided by the county. And we have Dave Jones, Chairman, Administration Oversight Committee.
Mr. Chairman, I move these resolutions for adoption.
Resolution's been made. Do I have a second? Second by Mr. Cunningham. Is there any discussion? Roll call, please.
Schwartz,
Yes.
DeVeronica, Norelli,
Aye.
Bono,
Yes.
Cunningham,
Aye.
Stokes,
Aye.
Stepanski,
Yes.
Becker,
Aye.
Kavanaugh, Roberts,
Aye.
Maglioka,
Aye.
Ostrander,
Aye.
Corbin,
Yes.
Zupan,
Yes.
Walters,
Aye.
Moses, Jones,
Aye.
and Walrod. 1,472 ayes.
Carried.
Okay, next we have Health and Human Services Committee. Resolution 30, authorize the chairman to enter an agreement with Community Action Program. 31, authorize the chairman to enter an agreement with Dr. Scott Petosa for KAG Consulting. 32, authorize a modification of the 21 county budget for mental health oasis. 33, authorize a modification of the 21 budget for ARC. 34, authorizing the 2020 budget for DSS. 35, authorizing the modification of the 21 budget for Heritage Farms. 36, authorizing the 21 budget modification for federal and state grant immunization action plan. And 37, authorizing the Board of Supervisors to accept a gift of personal property on behalf of Madison County and modifying the budget. We have Alex Stepanski, Chairman, Health and Human Services Committee.
Chairman, I move the adoption of these resolutions.
Made. Do I have a second?
I'll second it.
Second by Mrs. Norelli. Is there any discussion? Roll call, please.
DeVeronica. Norelli.
Aye.
Bono.
Yes.
Cunningham.
Aye.
Stokes.
Aye.
Stepanski.
Yes.
Becker.
Aye.
Kavanaugh. Roberts.
Aye.
Maglioka.
Aye.
Ostrander.
Aye.
Corbin.
Yes.
Zupan.
Yes.
Walters.
Aye.
Moses. Jones.
Aye.
Walrod. Schwartz.
Yes.
1,472 ayes.
Carried.
Next, we have our planning committee. Authorize, on number 38, authorize the modification of the 21 budget for snowmobile trails. 39, authorization to submit a grant application to New York State Office of Community Renewal. Number 40, extending an agreement with New York State for Old Erie Canal Local Waterfront Revitalization Program. And number 41, authorization to sign an agreement with Central New York Regional Planning and Development Board to administer a local waterfront revitalization program grant for Oneida Lake. Cliff Moses, Chairman, Planning Committee.
Mr. Chairman, I move these resolutions for adoption.
Resolution's been made. Do I have second? Second by Mr. Walrod. Is there any discussion? Roll call, please.
Norelli,
Aye.
Bono,
Yes.
Cunningham, Stokes,
Aye.
Stepanski, Becker,
Aye.
Kavanaugh, Roberts,
Aye.
Maglioka,
Aye.
Ostrander,
Aye.
Corbin,
Yes.
Zupan,
Yes.
Walters,
Yes.
Moses, Jones,
Aye.
Walrod, Schwartz,
Yes.
and DeVeronica. 1,472 ayes.
Carried.
Criminal Justice Public Safety Committee. Resolution 42 authorizes modification of the 2021 budget for the DA's office. 43 requesting professional review of all wind turbine structure sightings to prevent interference with Madison County interoperable communication system. Number 44, authorize the chairman to enter an agreement with Priority Dispatch. Number 45, authorize the chairman to enter an enterprise agreement for day automation. 46, authorize the modification of the 21 budget for sheriff's vests. And 47, authorize the chairman to enter an agreement with Lynn Star. And we have Pete Walrod, Chairman, Criminal Justice Public Safety Committee.
Resolution is made. Do I have a second? Second by Mr. Corbin. Is there any discussion? Roll call, please.
Bono,
Yes.
Cunningham,
Aye.
Stokes,
Aye.
Stepanski, Becker,
Aye.
Kavanaugh, Roberts,
Aye.
Maglioka,
Aye.
Ostrander,
Aye.
Corbin,
Yes.
Zupan,
Yes.
Walters,
Yes.
Moses, Jones,
Aye.
Walrod, Schwartz,
Yes.
D. Veronica, Norelli.
Aye.
1,472 ayes.
Carried.
Okay, next we have Highway Buildings and Grounds, Resolution Number 48, authorize the chairman to enter an agreement with Rambo Americans Engineering Solutions. Number 49, authorizing approval to award all bidders for bid 2105 for bituminous concrete. And 50 through 53 are all authorizing the chairman to enter into agreements, and it's for Gorman Brothers, JoJo Electric, Midstate Door, and Wayne Dalton of Syracuse. Ron Bono, Chairman, Highway Buildings and Grounds.
Mr. Chairman, I move these resolutions for adoption.
Resolution's been made, seconded by Mr. De Veronica. Is there any discussion? Roll call, please.
Cunningham,
Aye.
Stokes,
Aye.
Stepanski, Becker,
Aye.
Kavanaugh, Roberts, Matt.
I muted aye.
Oh,
Sorry.
okay. Maglioka,
Aye.
Ostrander,
Aye.
Corbin,
Yes.
Zupan,
Yes.
Walters,
Yes.
Moses, Jones,
Aye.
Walrod, Schwartz,
Yes.
D. Veronica, Norelli,
Aye.
Bono.
Yes.
1,472 ayes.
Carried.
Solid Waste Recycling Committee next. Resolution 54, authorize the chairman to enter an agreement with DACRA Inspections for landfill leachate piping inspection and cleaning services. Number 55, entering into a new standard waste disposal agreements for the term 21 through 23. 56, authorizing the modification of the 21 budget for enterprise landfill fund. And 57, adopting the 21 through 30 Madison County Local Solid Waste Management Plan. Yvonne Norelli, Vice Chair, Solid Waste Recycling.
Mr. Chairman, I move for these resolutions for adoption, please.
Resolution's been made, seconded by Mr. Cunningham. Is there any discussion? Roll call, please.
Stokes.
Aye.
Okay. Stepanski. Becker.
Aye.
Kavanaugh. Roberts.
Aye.
Maglioka.
Aye.
Ostrander.
Aye.
Corbin.
Yes.
Zupan.
Yes.
Walters.
Aye.
Moses. Jones.
Aye.
Walrod. Schwartz.
Yes.
D. Veronica. Norelli.
Aye.
Bono.
Yes.
Cunningham.
Aye.
1,472 ayes.
Carried.
Now we have resolutions on our regular agenda. Resolution number 58, in respect to the death of Bert Snyder, Mary Kavanaugh, Chairwoman, Government Operations Committee.
Resolution's been made, seconded by Mr. Bono. Is there any discussion? All in favor signify by voting aye.
Aye.
Anybody opposed? Carried.
Resolution number 59, authorizing the assistance in defense of assessment review proceedings. Yvonne Norelli, Chairwoman, Finance, Ways and Means.
Mr. Chairman, I move for this resolution for adoption, please.
Resolution's been made. Do I have a second?
I'll second it.
Who seconded? Yvonne.
Yeah. Yep.
Schwartz. All in favor signify by voting aye.
Aye.
Anybody opposed? Carried.
Resolution number 60, a resolution authorizing the water system improvements in and for Clockville Water District Number 1 and for the County of Madison, New York, at a maximum estimated cost of $2,680,000 and authorizing the issuance of $2,680,000 bonds to pay the costs thereof. Yvonne Norelli, Chairwoman, Finance, Ways and Means.
Chairman, I move for this resolution for adoption, please.
Resolution's been made. The chairman will second it. Is there any discussion? All in favor signify by voting aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Carried. Okay.
Oops.
Okay, we'll do a roll call.
Okay.
Thank you, Cindy.
Okay. Stepanski. Becker.
Aye.
Kavanaugh. Roberts.
Aye.
Maglioka,
Aye.
Ostrander,
Aye.
Corbin,
Yes.
Zupan,
Yes.
Walters,
Yes.
Moses, Jones,
Aye.
Walrod, Schwartz,
Yes.
DeVeronica, Norelli,
Aye.
Bono,
yes,
Cunningham,
Aye.
Stokes. He's muted.
Aye.
I heard him.
You
Oh,
said
okay.
aye.
1,472 ayes.
Carried.
Next, we have Resolution 61, authorizing the Madison County Office Complex Sanitary Sewer System Project in and for the County of Madison, New York, at an maximum estimated cost of $6,555,000, and authorizing the issuance of $6,555,000 bonds to pay the cost thereof. Yvonne Norelli, Chairwoman, Finance, Ways and Means.
Mr. Chairman, I move for this resolution for adoption, please.
Resolutions are made. Do I have a second? Second by Mr. Stefanski. Is there any discussion? Roll call, please.
Becker,
Aye.
Kavanaugh, Roberts,
Aye.
Maglioka,
Aye.
Ostrander,
Aye.
Corbin,
Yes.
Zupan,
Yes.
Walters,
Yes.
Moses, Jones,
Aye.
Walrod, Schwartz,
Yes.
DeVeronica, Norelli,
Aye.
Bono,
yes,
Cunningham,
Aye.
Stokes,
Aye.
Stefanski. 1,472 ayes.
Carried.
Resolution 62, authorizes the modification of the 2021 adopted county budget. Mary Kavanaugh, Chairwoman, Government Ops, co-signed by Yvonne Norelli, Chairwoman, Finance.
Resolution has been made. Do I have a second? Second by Mr. Moses. Is there any discussion? Roll call, please.
Kavanaugh, Roberts,
Aye.
Maglioka. Where is he?
Sorry, I'm here.
Oh.
Aye.
Okay. Ostrander,
Aye.
Corbin,
Yes.
Zupan,
Yes.
Walters,
Yes.
Moses, Jones,
Aye.
Walrod, Schwartz,
Yes.
DeVeronica, Norelli,
Aye.
Bono,
yes,
Cunningham,
Aye.
Stokes,
Aye.
There you go.
Stefanski, and Becker.
Aye.
1,472 ayes.
Carried.
Resolution number 63, authorizing the modification of the 2020 adopted county budget for courthouse renovation debt service. Yvonne Norelli, Chairwoman, Finance, Ways and Means.
Mr. Chairman, I move for this resolution for adoption, please.
Resolution has been made. Do I have a second?
A second.
Who's second? Mr. Roberts.
Yes.
Is there any discussion? Roll call, please.
Roberts,
Aye.
Maglioka,
Aye.
Ostrander,
Aye.
Corbin,
Yes.
Zupan,
Yes.
Walters,
Yes.
Moses, Jones,
Aye.
Walrod, Schwartz,
Yes.
DeVeronica, Norelli,
Aye.
Bono,
yes,
Cunningham,
Aye.
Stokes. Stokes,
He froze.
Aye.
There you go.
It's like his eyes were closed.
Here he is.
Aye.
Stefanski, Becker,
Aye.
Kavanaugh. 1,472 ayes.
Carried.
Resolution number 64, authorizing modification of the 2021 adopted county budget for capital project debt service. Yvonne Norelli, Chairwoman, Finance, Ways and Means.
Mr. Chairman, I move for this resolution for adoption, please.
Resolution has been made. Do I have a second? Second by Mr. Moses. Is there any discussion? Roll call, please.
Maglioka,
Aye.
Ostrander,
Aye.
Corbin,
Yes.
Zupan,
Yes.
Walters,
Yes.
Moses, Jones,
Aye.
Walrod, Schwartz,
Yes.
DeVeronica, Norelli,
Aye.
Bono,
yes,
Cunningham,
Aye.
Stokes,
Aye.
There
Okay.
you go.
Stepanski, Becker,
Aye.
Kavanaugh, Roberts,
Aye.
1,472 ayes.
Carried.
Resolution 65, authorizing modification of the 2020 adopted county budget. Yvonne Norelli, Chairwoman, Finance, Ways and Means.
Mr. Chairman, I move for this resolution for adoption, please.
Resolution's been made. Do I have a second? Second by Ms. Kavanaugh. Is there any discussion? Roll call, please.
Ostrander,
Aye.
Corbin,
Yes.
Zupan,
Yes.
Walters,
Yes.
Moses, Jones,
Aye.
Walrod, Schwartz,
Yes.
DeVeronica, Norelli,
Aye.
Bono,
yes,
Cunningham,
Aye.
Stokes,
Aye.
Stepanski, Becker,
Aye.
Kavanaugh, Roberts,
Aye.
Maglioka,
Aye.
1,472 ayes.
Carried.
Resolution number 66, authorizing the modification of the 2021 adopted county budget. Ron Bono, Chairman Highway, co-signed by Yvonne Norelli, Chairwoman Finance.
Mr. Chairman, I move this resolution for adoption.
Resolutions are made, seconded by Mrs. Norelli. Is there any discussion? Roll call, please.
Corbin,
Yes.
Zupan,
Yes.
Walters,
Yes.
Moses, Jones,
Aye.
Walrod, Schwartz,
Yes.
DeVeronica, Norelli,
Aye.
Bono,
Yes,
Aye.
Stokes,
Aye.
Stepanski, Becker,
Aye.
Kavanaugh, Roberts,
Aye.
Maglioka,
Aye.
Ostrander,
Aye.
1,472 ayes.
Carried.
Resolution number 67, authorizing modification of the 2021 adopted county budget. Pete Walrod, Chairman, Criminal Justice, co-signed by Yvonne Norelli, Chairwoman, Finance.
Resolution's been made. Do I have a second? Second by Mr. Corbin. Is there any discussion? Roll call, please.
Zupan,
Yes.
Walters,
Yes.
Moses, Jones,
Aye.
Walrod, Schwartz,
Yes.
DeVeronica, Norelli,
Aye.
Bono,
yes,
Cunningham,
Aye.
Stokes,
Aye.
Stepanski, Becker,
Aye.
Kavanaugh, Roberts,
Aye.
Maglioka,
Aye.
Ostrander,
Aye.
Corbin,
Yes.
1,472 ayes.
Carried.
Resolution number 68, amending the temporary coronavirus COVID-19 policy concerning pay, leave, and remote work. Mary Kavanaugh, Chairwoman, Government Operations Committee.
Resolutions are made. Second. Second by Mr. Moses. Is there any discussion? Roll call, please. Okay, all in favor signify by voting aye.
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 Any opposed? Carried. That was in my roll call notes, so it's okay.
Resolution number 69, authorizing an agreement amendment with Essentia Health. Alex Stepanski, Chairman, Health and Human Services Committee.
Resolution has been made. Do I have a second? Second by Mr. Moses. Is there any discussion? All in favor signify by voting aye.
Aye.
Anybody opposed? Carried. One
Oh,
abstention.
Okay. $14.07.
Okay. That's it, correct? Yeah, I gotta do that. Yep. Okay, next I have a proclamation proclaiming April 2021 Sexual Assault Awareness Month in Madison County. Whereas the National Sexual Assault Awareness Month is intended to draw attention to the fact that abuse and violence are widespread and impact individuals and families in Madison County. And abuse, rape, sexual assault, sexual harassment impact our community as seen by national statistics, including that 1 in 5 women and 1 in 67 men will be assaulted at some point in their lives, and 1 in 6 boys and 1 in 4 girls is sexually abused before the age of 18. And sexual harassment, assault, and abuse happen in all communities, and that includes online spaces. We are spending more and more of our lives online, whether that's for work, school, or entertainment. Unfortunately, with the increase in virtual connection comes an increase in online abuse and harassment, and we must work together to educate our community about sexual violence prevention, support survivors, and speak out against harmful attitudes and actions. And each April, with leadership, dedication, and encouragement, there is evidence that the Liberty resources help restore hope together with Madison County offices and departments can be successful in preventing sexual violence in Madison County through increased education awareness and community involvement. And the Madison County Board of Supervisors strongly supports the efforts of national, state, and local partners and every citizen to actively engage in public and private efforts to prevent child abuse and sexual assault violence. And it is time for all of us to start conversations, take appropriate action, and to support one another to create a safer environment for all. What, who gets the permanent one? City? Okay, there you go. Okay, that's it. Eric, you want to give us an update here? Eric Feist, our Public Health Director, is going to give us a COVID update.
I'm looking forward to the day when I don't have to do this. All right. Good afternoon, everybody. As you're probably aware, the last month or 3 weeks to a month or so, we've seen a slight uptick in the number of new cases. We were down to about 7 new cases a day. About a month ago, we're at about 7 new cases per day. We have about 69 active individuals that are positive. The good news is we have 0 individuals who are in our nursing homes that are positive. That's always positive. We're still at 88 deaths, which we haven't seen a death in over 6 weeks. So that's good news as well. We do currently have 4 residents that are hospitalized for COVID. Our percent positivity for the county is at about 1.0%, which is really good. Central New York is at 1.5%, and the state's at 3.3%. I think Central New York region is the second lowest in the state in terms of percent positive. Our regional hospital capacity continues to hover around 33% of our inpatient beds being available, 31% of our ICU beds being available. In terms of vaccinations, we have approximately 42.2% of our county's population have at least received their first dose of vaccine. And we have another 30%, over 30% have completed the series. We are continue to run clinics every week. We had clinics, first and second dose clinics last week at our 3 sites, Chittenango, Oneida, and Morrisville. We also did a targeted vaccination pod with the workers at the Green Empire Farms last Friday. We did approximately 170 vaccinations there. We did do a specific targeted vaccination yesterday with the SUNY Morrisville, where we vaccinated 95 of the students there. We are having clinics throughout the month of April. Our next, let me see here, I'm trying to give you the right information. We have a first dose clinic tomorrow at Morrisville from 12 to 4. We have a first dose clinic at the Oneida North Side Shopping Center in the city of Oneida from 12 to 4 on Thursday, 15th. And then we have we have another drive-through vaccination clinic this Saturday at the Point Place Casino in Bridgeport. That'll be from 9 to 12. Then we have a second dose clinic on Thursday from 12 to 12:30. Chittenango from Friday to 12 to 6, and Morrisville from 12 to 3:30. So we have a busy week. And the week of next week, and the week of the 19th, we'll have 2 clinics going daily, as well as another Saturday drive-through clinic on the 24th, which will be at the Georgetown Town Park. So We just ask that people continue to encourage others to get their vaccinations. We have plenty of vaccine available and plenty of slots available for people to get vaccinated. So I just encourage them to do so. And I have any questions, so take those.
Any questions for Eric?
What age are we doing?
Excuse me?
What age are we doing?
Well, the state is, anyone over 16 is eligible. However, only Pfizer can be provided to individuals 16 to 18 years old. We do not have Pfizer. At least the county health department does not get Pfizer vaccine. We get Moderna, which is 18 and older. Currently, you would have to go to one of the state sites, or some of the larger counties get Pfizer because how they ship Pfizer gets shipped in much larger allotments of doses, and therefore they tend to go to the larger counties. We get Moderna. So Onondaga, I believe their county sites will be giving it Pfizer. Oneida might be, I'm not 100% sure. But for the 16 to 18, they would have to go to those sites for our vaccine.
Any other questions for Eric? Yes, Rocky, Mr. DeBron.
Johnson & Johnson, having problems with that with blood clots and everything else, and we're still serving them here in the counties, or we stopped using it?
We have stopped administering Johnson & Johnson vaccine as of this morning. Yeah, if the information, there was apparently 6, I have it here.
Yeah, 6 women.
6 women that developed blood clots. And I believe it's similar to what they were seeing with the AstraZeneca vaccine because of the science, and the AstraZeneca and the Johnson & Johnson which are called virus vector vaccines, where they use another virus to introduce into the system to deliver the information that causes your body to have an immune response. And it's those types of vaccines that they're seeing this blood clot not commonly occur, but occur. The Moderna and the Pfizer use a messenger RNA technology, which is different, and we're not seeing that in those particular vaccines. So we still have plenty of Moderna vaccine available, so we encourage people to get that. So.
You know how long it takes after they take the shot from Johnson, how long it takes to clot?
Well, what they were saying, let me hold on a second, I'm just bringing it up here so I can.
I got somebody.
Roughly 10 to 12 days, they said this morning.
Yeah, I think it was 6 to 13 days was when they were seeing that. So actually, we have administered 275 doses of Johnson & Johnson through the health department. We actually have put out, and we will be sending everyone that we administered that vaccine to information about what things to look for, signs and symptoms, and then, guidance as to if they start to see that to, immediately contact their providers and take action. So we are trying to get information out to people as well. I believe, Sam, we put stuff on the website and else as well. So, yep.
Okay, anybody else? Okay, so Samantha can get a picture of everybody on the screen. If you have your vaccination cards, please hold them up so she can take a screenshot of you.
If not, you can just turn off your video.
You got, I think Chuck's going to get his. And has hers. Ron
Make
has
sure you
his.
put your thumb over your date of birth. We're gonna do a picture afterwards with everybody in the everybody here separately.
Okay, guys, hold them up. Okay, here you go. Good? Okay, thank you. Okay,
Mr. Chairman,
yes.
I would just like to, on behalf of the town of Lincoln, especially the area for the Clockville Water District, I want to thank all the supervisors for the 4 years that I've been here anyways, of the long, hard, and grueling work that has taken place in getting this under motion. And I do appreciate the support from all of you and Madison County. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Anybody else? Okay, motion to adjourn. Motion by Mr. Walrod, seconded by Mr. Moses. We're adjourned.
And everybody wants to do a photo, just come up front and we'll do it. Sam will take a picture.
I'd actually rather not do
I will.
Hello, Tina.
How are you?
Good.
My colleagues in other counties. It was good. I remember 20 years ago. You can't have it in a government building. Yeah. So I mean, well, so what they're all saying is it's got to be separate. That's what I wanted. Right. So people, they know. I've done it on Main Road when they go through, so they know that's a place. All right. That's always been one of those. Visually, it's